In this footage, a vehicle belonging to Kiev-aligned forces was destroyed by the 6th Army. A drone strike by the 6th Army targeted a Ukrainian soldier attempting to cross a railway bridge, resulting in a direct engagement by an FPV drone. Newly released footage shows Russian drone operations in the Kupiansk area last week. Pickup trucks and cargo vehicles entered the drone's field of view, after which the engagement unfolded under sustained aerial observation. New footage shows a Humvee armored vehicle struck by the 6th Army in the vicinity of Monikanovka, near Kupiansk, demonstrating continued precision engagement against enemy transport assets. New footage shows UAV operators from the 1198th Motorized Rifle Regiment of the 35th Army Vostok Group conducting operations against Kiev-aligned forces northwest of Goliapol in the settlement of Verkhnaya Tursa. The drones are actively surveilling and engaging enemy positions, disrupting movements and demonstrating the persistent pressure imposed by unmanned systems on frontline personnel. A vulnerable elderly man, reportedly forced into frontline service, was left exposed during a tense moment on the battlefield. As a Russian drone approached his position, he was unable to take cover or defend himself. The incident highlights the growing concerns about the use of untrained and physically unfit individuals in active combat zones, raising serious humanitarian and ethical questions. An FPV drone operator from the 25th Army located a Ukrainian soldier hiding by the roadside. Konstantinovka, Russian drone operators systematically neutralized all Ukrainian equipment detected in the area. The footage shows multiple armored vehicles, pickup trucks, tanks, ground robotic platforms, towed howitzers, and self-propelled artillery units being destroyed. Russian drone operators launched FPV drones in rapid succession, conducting continuous attacks in this sector. Within just a few hours, Ukrainian forces suffered substantial equipment losses. Footage circulating online shows an attempted breakthrough by a Kiev-aligned armored column near the settlement of Dobropol in the Zaporizhia region. According to the available visuals, Russian drone operators engaged the column, striking several vehicles. The attack appears to have disabled the equipment and neutralized the embarked infantry, halting the advance before it could develop further. The episode highlights the vulnerability of armored movements to aerial reconnaissance and FPV drone strikes, particularly during breakthrough attempts without adequate air cover or counter-drone protection. An optical fiber, guided one-way attack drone intercepted a Ukrainian Bogdan launcher at the moment it was conducting a firing operation. New footage shows Russian drone operators targeting enemy Ukrainian soldiers and positions in the Novopavlovka area of the Dnipropetrovsk region, supporting the coordinated advance of their forces and disrupting opposing movements. New footage from the Sever military group continues efforts to establish a buffer zone in the Kharkiv region. Russian forces remain on constant watch along routes used for Ukrainian military equipment movements and personnel rotations. Drones operating in standby and free-roam modes are used daily to detect and engage identified targets. During operations against enemy oil and natural gas infrastructure in the Chernihiv region, a Ukrainian mobile ground unit attempted to intercept Russian Garan UAVs but was unable to do so. The engagement relied on advanced coordination using remotely piloted Geron aircraft, which provided real-time reconnaissance and targeting data. Despite the ground unit's efforts, the Russian UAVs maintained operational advantage, illustrating the challenges of countering fast-moving unmanned systems in contested airspace. The footage highlights the growing reliance on integrated drone networks for both offensive and defensive operations, where precision targeting, situational awareness, and rapid data relay are essential. Even when ground units attempt interception, UAVs can maintain an operational edge, emphasizing the importance of advanced anti-drone measures and coordinated multi-layered defenses in modern combat scenarios. Today's new footage from the Kharkiv region, within the area of responsibility of the North Troop Grouping, highlights a counter-reconnaissance operation. Reconnaissance units from the Northern Grouping successfully detected the location of an enemy UAV control point and promptly relayed the coordinates for a targeted response. A KVN fiber-optic drone was then directed to the site, resulting in a precise and controlled strike on the identified position. The episode reflects the daily realities of modern warfare, where intelligence gathering, rapid decision-making, and unmanned systems play a decisive role. It also illustrates the ongoing contest between drone operators and counter-drone units, underscoring the evolving nature of battlefield tactics often referred to by the troops as the Fury of the North. In the Sumy direction, Russian forces conducted a coordinated drone operation against an enemy Hedgehog tank, a vehicle known for its additional armor and defensive modifications. Using a combination of reconnaissance and fiber-optic guidance, operators first maneuvered a drone into a vulnerable position between the tank's armor plates, gathering detailed targeting information and assessing weak points. Once the target was fully exposed, an FPV drone was deployed to execute a precision strike. The engagement successfully neutralized the tank, demonstrating the tactical value of unmanned systems in overcoming heavily armored targets without exposing personnel to direct fire. As observed, a Russian drone operator successfully destroys an abandoned armored vehicle with its door open using a single precision strike, demonstrating accurate targeting and controlled engagement. A damaged T-72 AV tank equipped with a Ukrainian Armed Forces protective cage is seen near the village of Sinino in the Kharkiv region, showing the vehicle's compromised condition following combat operations. Drone operators from the FPV unit Horseback of the 27th Artillery Regiment conducted precision strikes against Ukrainian Armed Forces T-72 tanks in the Konstantinovsky direction. The footage shows coordinated use of unmanned systems to detect armored targets and engage them with high accuracy, despite the traditionally artillery-focused role of the unit. These actions demonstrate how drone capabilities are now fully integrated into artillery operations, expanding their reach and effectiveness on the battlefield. In this footage, on the Krasnolman direction, another enemy armored vehicle of the Kozak type was disabled. Drone operators calmly and accurately detected the target, tracked it, and carried out a precise strike. The engagement reflects controlled execution and effective use of unmanned systems to neutralize enemy equipment in this sector. According to the Defense Ministry, Russian forces destroyed dozens of Ukrainian Armed Forces vehicles carrying ammunition that attempted to break through toward Kupiansk, significantly disrupting enemy supply and reinforcement efforts. The Russian Ministry of Defense states that the footage captures a strike against two Ukrainian launcher systems, a HIMARS multiple rocket launcher and a Neptune missile launcher, in the Dnipropetrovsk region. According to the reported sequence, the operation began with a Garand loitering munition striking one of the vehicles, likely to disable or fix the target in place. This was followed by a precision strike using an Iskander operational tactical missile, which completed the engagement. The episode illustrates a layered strike approach, combining unmanned aerial systems for initial target engagement and confirmation with high-precision missile weapons to ensure destruction of high-value assets. Such tactics are increasingly used to target mobile missile and rocket systems operating in rear areas, aiming to reduce their ability to conduct long-range strikes. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone intercepted a Ukrainian Baba Yaga-type loitering munition while it was deploying munitions against Russian positions, preventing the attack and neutralizing the threat. New footage released by the Ministry of Defense showcases a compilation of drone strikes conducted by unmanned systems, highlighting precision engagements against enemy positions, vehicles, and equipment across multiple sectors of the front. In this footage, the initiative in the air clearly belongs to unmanned systems forces, demonstrating their growing dominance across multiple operational sectors. Midnight, UAV operators from the North Group executed a coordinated operation in the Sumy region, disrupting the rotation of Kyiv-aligned personnel. The footage shows drones tracking the movement of enemy units and effectively halting their planned redeployment, highlighting the vulnerability of personnel movements to aerial surveillance and strike capabilities. 028. Drone operators from the East Group targeted and destroyed enemy NRTK unmanned platforms located west of Guliay-Pole. These strikes illustrate the effectiveness of precision unmanned systems against forward-deployed reconnaissance and targeting assets, denying the adversary situational awareness and command control. 042. A Malnia-2 UAV crew from the West Group successfully engaged and neutralized a Kyiv forces machine gun crew in the Krasnoarmysk direction. The engagement demonstrates the ability of UAVs to deliver precise, rapid strikes against exposed positions, minimizing risk to friendly forces while maximizing operational impact. From the Trilene, a Russian FPV drone lay in wait, scanning the terrain with silent precision. Moments later, it identified an opposing soldier moving on an ATV, exposing the target to the operator's control. The footage underscores the patience and effectiveness of Russian drone tactics, turning concealment into a decisive advantage on the battlefield. The Ukrainian soldiers had no time to understand what was unfolding. A Russian FPV drone reached the Ukrainian trenches, producing a striking and intense sound. The soldier was unharmed and continued on his way. Russian UAV operators destroyed a Ukrainian armed forces vehicle near Konstantinova. The grid armor offered no protection. Several FPV UAVs targeted the area, and now a Hummer is burning in the forest. Sumy direction. Ukrainian armed forces personnel were unloading equipment when they were disrupted by a Russian UAV team. As a result, the vehicle was disabled and rendered inoperable. An American howitzer was discovered near the village of Zakatna. Following a series of engagements, the howitzer was destroyed and rendered inoperable.